Hey everybody, so I alluded to something in my previous Soundcraft post, and that was that I was going to be testing the Cascade feature on a cable that was longer than the advertised supported length by Soundcraft. So that's what this video is, just a really quick update. I am actually using a 200-foot cable in a real life situation, and it's working no problem. I've had audio running for about 4 hours now, uninterrupted, over that cable. So we're about 100 feet longer than Soundcraft actually suggests you use. So can you do it? Yes. Should you do it? That's up to you. It's working for me in a real life scenario, so it may work for you, but I strongly suggest if you decide to do this, you test it for yourself before you put yourself in a real life event, and have a backup if you do decide to do that, just in case. I've got a bunch of really long XLR just in case things go down on me, but at this point it seems like it's going to be stable and working. I mean, you know, once I got over 3 hours, I was pretty much unconcerned, but I'll just flip my camera so you can see what I've got going on. Okay, so here we are. Here is my host box, and down there, I'll see if I can zoom in. My remote box is right there. It's a terrible image, but that's where it is. And this is my DJ. He is running into that box, and then I'm 200 feet of cable, network cable, up to this box here. You can see this is my host machine, and I am receiving audio from the stage. I have control of both my host and my remote box, so there you can see the inputs, DJ left and right, and it's going to my house aux, which is the one that's sending up to me, and I have that hard patch. So if we go into patching here, actually we'll go back to remote, and my Cascade outs and my master, you can see that aux 1 is actually patched to the Cascade out slot 1, and then that's coming in on my host machine. Oops, Cascade ins, and you can see that that's coming in to my from stage mix. And yeah, that's it. It's working. You can hopefully hear the music a little bit in the background. I am trying to keep it subdued, and if you're not hearing it, that's probably because I had to remove it for copyright claim reasons. But it's definitely working. And just the last piece in the puzzle, I'm going to flip this again really quick. The last piece in the puzzle is that after I get it into this box here, I'm actually sending it out on my aux 1 to the house console here. And you can see the signal coming in just nice and low on channel 1. So we're just running this as some low music in the background for this this nice quiet event that we've got going on. But that's it. I just wanted to update you. It is doable. Should you do it? That's up to you. If you do decide to try it, again, I cannot stress enough, test it prior to being in your actual real world scenario, unless you have a backup. And you should always have a backup if you're testing something like I do. I've just got really long cables. But that's it. Hopefully you found this interesting and educational, you know, all the usual stuff. Please like, subscribe, share, check out the Patreon if you want to help out the channel. And until next time, thanks for watching here on Quick and Easy Quickies. See ya.